NACO Colored Kits.
Kit 1. Color gray.
Given for urethral discharge, cervical discharge, anorectal discharge. Targets: gonococci and chlamydia. It contains tab cefixime 400 mg stat, tab azithromycin 1G stat. Kit 2. Colored green. Given for vaginal discharge. Targets: candida and trichomoniasis. It contains tab fluconazole 150 mg stat, tab secnidazole 1G stat. Kit 3.
Color white.
Given for genital ulcer disease, non-herpetic. Targets: syphilis and chancroid. Contains inj-benz, penicillin 2.4 mu dipidem, tab azithromycin 1G stat.
Kit 4.
Color blue. Given for genital ulcer disease, non-herpetic but with allergy to penicillin. Targets: syphilis and chancroid. Contains tab doxycycline 100 mg BID for 5 days, tab azithromycin 1G stat.
Kit 5. Color red.
Given for genital ulcer disease, herpetic. Target: H/O vesicles. Contains tab acyclovir 400 mg TID for 7 days.
Kit 6. Color yellow.
Given for lower abdominal pain. Targets: gonococci, chlamydia and anaerobes. Contains tab cefixime 400 mg stat, tab doxycycline 100 mg BID for 14 days, tab metronidazole 400 mg BID for 14 days.
Kit 7. Color black.
Given for inguinal bubo. Targets: lymphogranuloma venereum, LGV, and chancroid. Contains tab doxycycline 100 mg BID for 3 weeks, tab azithromycin 1G stat. Hope this helped. Subscribe for more.